Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Today, I've got an episode of Try It, Don't Buy It. Now, recently, I had one of my clients ask me if we could make stickers, but not duct tape stickers, which we always do, at their event. And so I started doing a lot of research on how to make stickers, and I got this little machine, which is an Xyron. Xyron, I guess is how you say it. Create a Sticker Mini. And I'm going to show you how you use it right now. And we're going to figure out if we should try it or don't buy it. And pretty simple, that's it. The sticker backing stuff is right in here. It comes in a little cartridge that you just drop right on in. So that's nice and simple. And then what you do is this. You just take your artwork. So I've got a couple, I printed these from my laptop, and I'm just going to cut them out. And then this one I'm just going to cut out in a square. And the thing about this is that you can make your stickers as long as you want to. The only thing about it is it just can't be wider than 2.5 inches here. So then what you do is you just take your artwork and place it with the artwork side facing up, and then just start pulling it around by turning the handle, and then it just pops out the other end. Let's do our next one so we get both of them at the same time. Just stick it in there till it stops, and here it comes out the side. And what's great about this, what's interesting about it, I think, is that, can you see, there's no residue or anything here. It's just that these have been turned into stickers by the stickiness being placed on the back. So see, it's like a real sticker. That's sticky. That whole thing is sticky, but none of the outer area is. So it's got a paper backing that's just like a regular sticker backing, and then you've got a sticker sticky. So you've really created your very own sticker, which is pretty darn amazing. So there you have it, the Xyron or Xyron Create a Sticker Mini. Now, as far as I'm concerned, this is about as close to a real sticker as you are going to be able to get with something that you're printing at home. Now, cost-wise, at the point of this being shown to you and being shown on YouTube, it's about $26 for the machine and about $12.99 for the cartridges. So you figure about a $50 investment to make 50 to 100 stickers, depending on how close you put those stickers into the machine. So from my perspective, you know, as a party planner, making these amazing stickers, I would definitely say buy it. But understand that it is about a $50 investment for making 50 to 100 stickers. So again, the Xyron Create a Sticker Mini, try it, don't buy it. From my perspective, I say definitely try it. For more fun ideas, check us out at sophie-world.com.